In this video, I will show you how to add updates to a project. We hover over the projects menu and we go to the projects report. We scroll down to find the project we want to add updates to, or we filter to find the project. We click on the project to get the details menu, and we scroll down to find the update history section. We click the plus button and select the proper stage or rebate status that we want to add. If there are no changes in the status, then you can just add directly a note on what happened if it corresponds to that same stage or rebate status. So in this case, I want to say that the proposal went for approval, and then I'm going to add my changes. We go ahead and select the proper date where this update belongs to. So let's say this is something that happened on March 25th. We select the date, and then we have a new field that is notes visible to client. This field means that it will show on the customer portal. If we select yes, if we select no, it will be hidden from the portal. So let me give you an example of a note that shouldn't be included in the customer portal. Let's say we want to add in the notes that he added 15% markup and 10% for referral fees. This is something that we do not want to show the client, and we will select no. But if we don't want to add this information and it's something that we do want the client to see, we select yes. In this case, I select yes and I click update. Before I do that, I just want to remind you that if you select a rebate status and your project does not have a rebate program assigned yet, it will prevent you to do the update. So in this case, I don't have any updates on the rebate status. I will go ahead and update. And go back to the project to see the changes, and that record will be added to the update history. It's right here. I just want to remind you that if you notice that any of the records in the updates history from the past looks like it needs to be recreated because either it doesn't have a note or it does not have a relevant note, please go ahead and recreate it. You don't have to worry about it being duplicated, because when we finish all the updates in the projects, we're going to go ahead and delete the duplicates and just stay with whatever is relevant to each of the projects. So in this case, I would recommend to recreate March 10 for this specific project because it does not tell me anything. Request for a proposal. So then I will go ahead again here and add a new update for that specific March 10th update. So I will select March 10th and select the correct stage that it was in. That was the request for proposal. I will go ahead and select that as other, request for proposal. And I will add my notes here. What was requested and client requested proposal being sent to be sent before March 1st. Sorry, March 20th. Then you will go ahead and select March 10th as the date for this update. Notes visible to client, that might be something that they want to see. And then you can see you're building your history of what happened in the project, that's the purpose of the updates history. Go ahead and scroll down. So if you want to see it in a chronological order, you can go ahead, select, click in update change and sort by descending. Then you have these updates. March 26, what happened on March 10? Right over there. So at the end, when we all finish all our updates, then we're gonna clean up all the records. These two will be gone, and we're gonna stay with these two that are the most relevant. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me or to shoot me an email. Thank you.